Welcome to StyroMAX. Here at StyroMAX, we custom manufacture fiberglass composite panels for a variety of applications, and have been doing so from our Brisbane factory since 1998. Our panels are incredibly strong, extremely lightweight, water-resistant, precision cut, and have superior thermal insulation qualities. The people behind StyroMAX have a long history in the automotive industry, producing OEM components for major car brands. This attention to detail and stringent quality control is what makes StyroMAX Composite Panels the trusted supplier of many government organisations, major RV brands, and the transport and trucking industry. Our panels are available direct to manufacturers of mobile homes, caravans, hybrid campers, toy haulers, fridge truck bodies, emergency service vehicles, right through to DIY builds and custom one-off orders. Thanks to our technicians and state-of-the-art 3D modeling software and CNC machinery, we're able to create a solution for any composite panel project. Here's how our world-leading composite panels are constructed. Step 1. We start with the outside sheet. Step 2. Adhesive is applied as well as the intermediate layers. Step 3. More adhesive is added, followed by the inside sheet. Step 4. The sheet is ready for vacuum pressing and curing. Step 5. Finally, it is available for CNC trimming. Contact us today about how we can help your business or turn your dream build into a reality. www.styromax.com.au